In this problem, we need $25,000 14 years from now. So in future, that is 14 years from now, we need the amount of $25,000. So the future value of money is denoted by the letter A. So A is $25,000. The amount of time it's going to sit in the account is 14 years. Remember that T equals is the letter that is denoted that denotes time, and years should be the unit of measurement of time. If it's in months or weeks or days, we need to change it to years, and only then are we able to plug it into the formula that is given to us. How much money would we invest today? Which means, what is the amount that we put into the account today? That is the present value, P, or the principal. So what exactly is that? That's what we need to figure out. At the rate of interest, 8.5%. So as soon as you get the percentage, change it to a decimal. And only the decimal value of the rate can be substituted in the formula. And the minute you see that the interest is compounded, the next question we have to ask ourselves is, how many times is it compounded? So it says daily, and that's the important piece of information here. It's a daily compounding. Daily would be 365 times in the year. So we put a certain amount of money into the account, leave it in the account for 14 years, and collect an amount A at the end of 14 years. So the amount that we collect at the end will depend on the rate of interest, and in this case it is 8.5% at, and then N, the number of times it is compounded, is 365 times in the year. So a lump sum goes into the account, a lump sum is collected at the end of 14 years. And for this situation, we need to find, according to this question, we need to find P when we are given everything else, including A, that's $25,000. Now in the handout, you'll notice that there's a formula. P equals A divided by 1 plus R over N whole to the N T. Plug in all the numbers. $25,000 divided by, open parentheses, 1 plus the rate in the decimal form, 0.085 over N, which is 365, whole to the N. So put parentheses here, whole to the N, which is 365, the number of times it's compounding, times T, which is 14 years. Now, we're going to enter all this into the calculator. So that's 25,000. This is exactly how you're going to enter it, just the way you see it. Open parentheses, 1 plus 0.085 divided by 365, close parentheses, to the, open parentheses, multiply by 365 times 14, close parentheses. When we enter all this into the calculator, we get 7,606.59. So if we put in $7,606.59 into the account today at the rate of 8.5% compounded 365 times in the year for 14 years, then at the end of 14 years, we're going to collect $25,000.